Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
When heading into the backcountry, you need a compact, high-performance stove that won't let you down regardless of weather conditions. The new Windburner personal stove system is built with award-winning technology that allows it to operate flawlessly in weather that shuts other stoves down. MSR's most compact personal stove system combines this windproof technology with the ultimate convenience of a fully integrated system that is so fast and reliable it will change how you cook and brew in the backcountry. The Windburner stove system packs in everything you need to boil water fast anywhere. Inside, the 1-liter pot nests the canister stand, the stove burner, a 4-ounce or 110-gram Isopro fuel canister, and a small cloth to protect the pot and burner head. Its 16-ounce bowl snaps onto the outside, and accessories like the Windburner coffee press and hanging kit also pack neatly away. The Windburner's pot is made of light, rugged aluminum and connects securely to the stove. It features an insulated cozy that is wrapped in heat-resistant fabric that won't singe over time. The lid features drinking and straining ports, so you can sip hot meals and drinks when the temperatures drop or the winds kick up. Both the lid and bowl are BPA-free and heat-resistant. Quick to break down, light and compact, The whole system stores easily in your pack. Our goal was to make a stove system that was as convenient and easy to use as it was fast and efficient. The Windburner stove uses MSR's Radiant Burner technology. These burners provide far more wind resistance than conventional burners and are difficult to blow out, even when the pot is removed. In addition, the Windburner stove operates on 100% primary air, drawing all the oxygen it needs through ports near the burner. This allows the pot's heat exchanger to completely enclose and protect the flame from wind and maximize heat. A pressure regulator ensures the stove offers consistent performance at altitude, in cold weather, and with a nearly empty canister. The result? In real-world conditions, the Windburner stove system boils water faster than the competition, using less fuel. Even in 12-mile-an-hour winds, the Windburner boils in just 2 minutes 45 seconds, when other stoves slow or fail to boil altogether. With the Windburner's compact, integrated convenience, fast boil times, and incredible fuel efficiency, you'll carry less fuel and less weight in your pack, making the Windburner the ultimate personal stove system for performance you can count on anywhere your adventures take you.
We built it, you bought it. Now it's go time. We want you to have the very best experience with your Go, but please pay attention to these details before getting started. First, let's go over what's what so you can get cooking. While the Go is still closed, it's the best time to open the kickstand and make adjustments to the tilt. This is especially true when you're preparing for the vertical liquid boiling mode. Be firm but not forceful with the kickstand. Pull down to move and push up to lock into position. Unzip the product fully. Don't stop too early. Next, we've integrated a hidden prop stick to hold the reflectors in an open position for stability when leaning. Engaging the prop stick happens with just one finger and only in one direction. Now you're ready to cook, but remember, do not preheat the Go Sun. In other words, don't leave it out in the sun empty without food inside to be cooked. The Go Sun dial is here to help align the Go at the sun. Watch the glare align with the center of the target lines below. Look for the glare. Use the kickstand to find the best tilt angle toward the sun. Rotation is needed about every half hour if you're really trying to maximize performance. Cooking is a piece of cake. Food goes in and out of the cooking tray while holding the handle. The cooking tray itself can get very hot, so you don't want to touch there. Chop food up or jam-pack the Go to fit more. Use the provided silicone cups to serve several dishes and make the cleanup even easier. If the cooking tray is sliding with some friction, a solid two-handed squeeze helps to keep the tray from expanding. When you're finished cooking, close the reflectors or lean the Go out of the sun. This is the off position. This is the on position. To get set up in boiling mode, remove the cooking tray, fully engage the kickstand, and lock it in place while the Go is closed. Open the reflectors and engage the prop stick. Slide the action stand through the kickstand and rotate it so that it locks in place with the bolt hole underneath your Go. Next, remove the silicone lid from the cooking tray's handle and gently place it on top to help contain the heat. Again, don't let the Go Sun preheat empty in the sun. Keep the unit out of the sun until you're ready to add water. A super hot preheated tube should never see water. Once the water's hot, pouring it out is best done by holding the kickstand and the gear loop as shown. Finally, you've cooked up a feast. Tasted some garlic in your coffee, and now it's time to clean. The cleaning brush provided will make this easy, but if you can't find it, a paper towel will do. Again, be sure the Go has not been preheating empty in the sun before adding water, but good old-fashioned water and soap will do the job.
Don't forget to clean the cooking tray after every use.
Food juices can flow out onto the EVA case and require a little cleanup. The case and all the Go parts can handle being in water and mild soap. We like to think of the Go as a rugged device that can handle a few battle wounds. Let it air dry, but it's not dishwasher safe. Cleanliness is helpful to keep your Go performing. Indeed, cleaning the fingerprints is the biggest job. If you don't like using Windex, a microfiber cloth will do the job. To experiment with the universal action mount, you can get accessories that are set up for the GoPro camera. Attach that to the front of your GoSun Go and find a rail, a bike, a boat, or in this case, a camera tripod to take your Go and cook anywhere on the fly. Now you're ready, you're set, and it's time to go outside and get cooking.